Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. Let me introduce myself. I'm Vidya and my partner Via and Vivi. And we are from Seven Group. So in this presentation we will discuss about present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now we will deliver about definition, explanation, formulas, and examples of present perfect continuous. I will explain about the definition of present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous, also called present perfect progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an action starts in the past and has continued up to the present moment. Jadi, present perfect continuous juga disebut sebagai present perfect progressive, yang bentuk kata kerjanya digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu tindakan dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlanjut hingga saat ini. And now, I will deliver the present perfect continuous form. So guys, you can see it in Just Grammar PDF on page 32. We make the present perfect continuous by using the auxiliary verb has or have with the past participle been and the in form of the main verb. Jadi dalam pembentukan present perfect continuous, kata kerja utamanya menggunakan auxiliary, past participle, dan verb in. Oke, example. She has been waiting for him during all morning. Jadi, kata she itu menggunakan auxiliary-nya has. Kemudian, been di situ adalah past participle. And wait itu adalah main verb-nya. Jadi ing itu adalah verb ing yang mengikuti kata waiting itu tadi. Okay, next, in conversation we often contact the auxiliary to s or v, particularly of pronouns ih, I, she, or they. Oke, jadi dalam percakapan kita seringkali menyingkat auxiliary yang has or have itu menjadi s or v. Contohnya, she's been waiting or they've been preparing, ya, dan lain sebagainya.
And now I will explain about the use of present perfect continuous tense. The first, we use the present perfect continuous to talk about something that began in the past and is still continue. Jadi kita menggunakan present perfect continuous itu untuk membicarakan sesuatu yang dimulai di masa lalu atau kegiatan yang sudah terjadi dan masih berlanjut. Example, I have been waiting for the fridge to be delivered since 4 o'clock. Jadi saya sudah menunggu lemari es diantarkan sejak jam 4. And the second, we use the present perfect continuous to talk about something that has very recently finished, but that continue for some time. Jadi kita menggunakan present perfect continuous untuk membicarakan tentang suatu kejadian yang baru saja selesai, tetapi itu berlanjut untuk beberapa saat. Example, Felix has been working out at the gym. And the third, we often use the present perfect continuous with since and for. Jadi, dalam present perfect continuous ini, kita sering menggunakan kata since and for, yang artinya sejak dan selama. Example, Annette has been thinking about moving house since 1998. Annette sudah memikirkan pindah rumah sejak 1998. She has been looking for a new house for about a year. Dia telah mencari rumah baru selama sekitar 1 tahun. And the fourth, we often use the present perfect continuous in question with how long to ask how long something has been happening. Jadi kita sering menggunakan present perfect continuous ketika dalam pertanyaan itu menggunakan kata how long untuk menanyakan sudah berapa lama sesuatu itu terjadi. Example, how long has Jane been working in Brussels? Sudah berapa lama Jane bekerja di Brussels? And then, There are certain verbs that are not usually used in the continuous, including verbs describing feelings such as want, like, had, hope, and other stative verbs such as remember, recognize, belong, and other. Jadi, ada kata kerja tertentu yang tidak bisa digunakan dalam continuous, termasuk kata kerja yang menggambarkan perasaan, seperti want, like, had, hope, dan kata kerja statif lainnya seperti remember, recognize, belong, dan lain-lain. And then time signal that usually used in the present perfect continuous such as for selama, since sejak, long lamanya, all the day sepanjang hari, and the whole month sepanjang bulan.
Form of the present perfect continuous. The positive for verbal sentence is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb in. Example, John has been sleeping since 3 hours ago. John sudah tidur selama 3 jam lalu. Nominal is subject plus have or has plus been plus adjective or noun or adverb. Sama, you have been in home for all day. Kamu telah berada di rumah sepanjang hari. Negative sentence for verbal is subject plus have or has plus noun plus been plus verb in. Example, I have not been working for a day. Saya belum bekerja selama sehari. For nominal is subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus adjective or noun or adverb. Example, I have not been stupid like this before. Saya belum pernah sebodoh ini sebelumnya. Interrogative for verbal sentence is have or has plus subject plus been plus verb in. Example, have you been waiting for me since 2 hours ago? Apakah kamu sudah menungguku sejak 2 jam yang lalu? For nominal sentence is have or has plus subject plus been plus adverb or noun or adjective. Example, have I been sick for 3 days? Apakah saya sudah sakit selama 3 hari? Well, that's our presentation. If you have some question, feel free to speak out and we can have discussion to work out for the best solution. The last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.